Hi everyone, so today I'm going to review the CloudFox uh, earbud. So this is two wireless earbuds. To see that, the icons look like the Fox head. So let's open the box to see what we have inside. Here we have the charging case, the main thing. So here and down there we have the accessory. So we have the charging cable, the manual, and that's it. And just take a look at the earbuds. So we put it aside. Here we have the earbuds. So it's still like flashing light. It means it's still charging the earbuds. So when it's charging, we see the two lights turn on. It's a red light. So there's a magnet in here, and when we close the lid, it's gonna automatically hit. And so here is the earbud. So here, each of them, we have the two little hole here. It means we use it for charging, and here also we have the charging. And inside of here we have two little pin. So when we put it, the magnetic force will automatically attach the earbud to the charging position, so we don't need to do anything. And let's see how it works. Here we have I have the computer here, so we can turn on the Bluetooth. Let's see, do we have the Bluetooth here? Okay, let's turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, turn on the Bluetooth, and we're gonna see let's look for the earbud. We need to add the new device, and we see a T39L, so we connect it, and let's open the song. Okay, turn on the music. So we're gonna hear the sound. It's made small because it's playing the music. So let me turn on another song. It may have bigger sound. So it look pretty good. The sound is good.